As Taliban-led Afghanistan passes through economic hardships, owner of gaming zone business in Kabul said they were receiving fewer customers because unemployment had squeezed purchasing power of the people. This man, Malan, the owner of a gaming zone, said there were about 10,000 shops of gaming zones in Kabul, which had now reduced because many businessmen with falling earnings could not pay the rent of the shops. A man, Kasser, who came to play game, said most places of entertainment were closed since the Taliban came into power, though they have not stopped the games.
Humanitarian assistance saves lives, but it will not solve the problem if the economy of Afghanistan collapses.
UN Secretary General said that the international community must find ways to inject cash directly into Afghanistan's economy to avert its total collapse. He said a growing humanitarian crisis was impacting half the population of Afghanistan, though the humanitarian aid continued. The Taliban took control on August 15 as the 20-year U.S. military intervention ended in Afghanistan. For VNA, this is Numan Satar.